Hey guys, Anthony with the Real American Outdoors, and if you click this video, you're probably having some sort of fuel injector issue on your Duramax or Cummins or Power Stroke, and you're trying to look for a last-ditch effort before you actually have to replace a fuel injector. So I had a suspected issue, and I found a video online of a guy using a diesel fuel injector cleaner, and you have to replace your fuel filter when you do this. It really is a simple process. So my product that I use is WellWorth Injector Pro Clean. I used this when I had my suspected issue, and I found a video online, a guy using it. Pretty much all you do is you buy a new fuel filter, and before you install the new fuel filter, you fill up that filter with the Injector Pro Clean, and then you reinstall it on your truck, and you prime it just like how you would with any other fuel injector. Then whatever's left of this, just put it in your fuel tank, and then you take your truck, you back it out of your garage, and you go ahead and start it up and let it run at 1,000 to 1,200 RPMs. Just hold that throttle up there, and you're gonna get a lot of white smoke, just like a seafoam treatment. And you're supposed to do this for about a half hour. I did it for a half hour the first time I did it, and it took me a couple days to notice a difference, and then finally I did notice a difference, and I have not had any suspected fuel injector issues since. So this is what worked for me. It may not work for you, but it's always worth a try before you spend the big money and go replace your fuel injectors. So now I do this every time I do a fuel filter change. It's an extra 25 bucks with shipping off eBay on top of your fuel filter. So, I mean, you got to pay to play with the diesel. So it is what it is. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And if you guys like this video or anything fishing, tractors, auto, 2A, or freedom, check us out at realamericanOutdoors.com, Facebook and Instagram, and give us a subscribe for any new videos we have. So we'll catch you guys later.